Hey everybody, welcome back to Focal Collective. I am out in Tulum, Mexico. I'm at the Tulum ruins. It's like a Mayan archaeological site. I'm here shooting with the Nikon F100 using Kodak Gold. I'm on aperture priority. I have my 35 to 70 millimeter f2.8 lens. And my camera's rated at ISO 400. It's just at box speed. That's a pretty sick ruin. I think I'm gonna take a quick little shot. Let's go explore. An old Mayan ball game. If you've seen the movie El Dorado or Road to El Dorado, they'd take these volleyball-like things and try to get them through those hoops. Oh, we made it to the Coba pyramid, and this is one of the last Mayan ruins in this region that you can actually still climb on. So that's kind of cool. I'm planning on getting to the top. I'll let you know how that one goes. Wish me luck. You know what? It's actually really easy. Need to get back in shape. That's pretty cool. I don't know why I keep doing this, but I keep going to all these really hot places. Just climbed like, I don't know, I'll Google it later, but a lot of stairs. Maybe I'll put it in the little thing down there. But it's definitely worth the view. It's pretty sick. I'll take a quick photo with the Nikon F100 using Kodak Gold. apparently in like 6 months, they will start renovating the Coba pyramid and we won't be able to climb on top of it anymore. So it's a pretty special view up here. It's a pretty cool experience. It's one of the last ruins out here that you're actually able to like climb on top of. They stopped that practice at Chichen Itza a while back, a really long time ago. It was my first time in Mexico, really enjoying it. I'm sweating a lot, getting my little detox in, but yeah. A little exercise never killed anybody.